Hello everybody, I'm Jared, and if you want your tank looking sleek, well, I got an option for you. This is the flush-mounted fuel cap. You can see the OE kind of pops up like this. Well, I'm going to show you the features of this flush-mounted fuel cap and also show you how easy it is to install. Now, it's got a nice modern design. It's also effective with its pop-up filler design that's easy to use and grip even with a gloved hand. When you close the cap, there's a soft click ratcheting feature that will let you know when it's fully closed and will also prevent you from over-tightening. Two items are included with your purchase. Of course, a screw-in pop-up fuel cap and matching trim ring. It does come in gloss black or chrome for an awesome custom look. Be sure to check the product page on Harley-Davidson.com to find out the range of models it fits. One of the best parts of this product is it doesn't take a lot of work to install, creating that custom look. Of course, first, you'll need to remove the original equipment gas cap from the fuel tank. Now next, you're going to clean and wipe down the inside surface of the fuel tank filler cup and the area that the trim ring will sit, because you want to ensure you get that proper seal once you take off that backing. After that's done, install the gas cap into the tank. Now, it'll stop naturally, and then to lock it in and make it flush, push down, 8th turn, and you can see it's flush mounted. To remove it, go the opposite way, go counterclockwise, 8th turn, and there you have it, so you unscrew. But now to install the trim ring. Before you remove the adhesive backing, note the position of the notch. There's a small triangle on the inside diameter of the trim ring. Then determine the best position of the trim ring, now against the contour of the tank, right? So just slightly adjust it, ensuring that it just looks nice and sleek. Now this determines the best position that eliminates gaps between the fuel tank and the trim ring. Now you're going to peel the adhesive backing off that trim ring, making sure that that notch is facing towards the front. Make sure you line it up, nice contour look, and there you have it, sleek and mean. That's all there is to it. And now your motorcycle is looking even better than ever. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit Harley-Davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.